Okay. We are okay. This is Styler, Eli, and me. I know, right? How sexy I am. And we're gonna see if it's a good idea to microwave a light bulb. You ready? We're gonna put the. Hopefully, you know.
It doesn't blow up.
5:15. No. Ready?
Do you see how safe we are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, you know, no one likes roasted nuts.
Pew! That click. Oh gosh!
That stings.
It's like.
And that's what happens when you microwave a light bulb. We don't want to make it explode because my mom would get pissed. Cake.
Ooh, that's kind of warm.
It is?
Yeah.
Don't put it in there.
I don't want it to shatter though. Glass will shatter if it gets too hot and then suddenly goes cold. Let's put it in again! Let's do it.
We need to go buy grapes.
I want to see what happens with all the water.
Just start it.
Oh, it's not going anymore.
And that was that.